In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the scan to computer with your Canon Pixima printer. Or you can follow it for any printer that has option to do the scan to computer. If you want to know if your printer has that option, just look at the control panel and look for the scan icon. If you have this icon on the touch screen or on the control panel, that means your printer is capable of doing the scan to computer. You have to first connect this printer with the home Wi-Fi network, and you have to do that using your Windows laptop. You can connect it using Ethernet cable, or you can use it with the Wi-Fi network. So I'll show you how to do that. So go to your Windows 11 laptop. Go to the web browser. Type in Canon. Type Canon IJ setup. Go to the Canon website for the drivers to download. Click on the setup here. Type in your printer model number, that is G6020, and click on the go. That is our printer. Start. Scroll ahead. Again. Number 2, connect. We have to download the drivers. Click on the download. Open this file. Click yes. You will see the window on the main screen. To start the setup process, click on the start setup. Click next. It will download some important drivers so that we can use the feature scan to computer. Click yes. Agree with the terms. On the next page, it will ask you what kind of connection you want to use. You can use the Wi-Fi connection, you can use the wired LAN connection using the Ethernet cable, or you can use a USB connection. Right now I'm just going to use the Wi-Fi connection. Click next. Click on the next. If your printer has a button like this, press and hold this button for 3 seconds and release it. On this screen, click on the next. That is the connection type, yes. Select your network and enter its password. So printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Once you install the drivers, it may ask you to do the test print. Click on the start for that. This will give you confirmation like printer is installed or not. Again, go to your Windows screen. Click on the next. You can set it as a default printer or a listed printer. Click next. These are the things you can uncheck or you can just download. Click next. Installation is complete. Click exit. Now we can close all the windows opening here. Let's do the scan to computer check, like if it's working or not. First we will load a paper to scan. Lift it, place a page there. Go to the display panel. Click on the scan option. Press save to. Select OK. Scroll ahead. Here we can see the name of our laptop is there. So that means it will send it there. So click on the color button. Automatically it will scan and a window will pop up on your Windows laptop, and that will display the scanned page. Once the scan is done, it will be transferred and shown on the main screen. We can double click on it. Now you can give a name to this file, or you can just change the name and location. We can close it again. So it's very important, like you download the drivers, correct drivers of your printer, and then you do the setup of the printer using your Windows 11 laptop. Once it is connected with the home Wi-Fi network, automatically it will start to work. Now you can keep your laptop anywhere in the Wi-Fi location, and you can just scan anything from your printer. It will automatically send there. For example, you can see, for example, I can just open it here, place a page, and then go to the printer display panel, click on the scan icon, and it will display your laptop on the top. Once you see the name of the laptop, click on the color button and it will start with the color scanning. If you click on the black button, then it will start scanning in the black and white. So right now we can see it has started to scan, and we can also see on the Windows 11 laptop a small window has opened. Once it finishes the scanning, automatically it will be transferred there. So we don't need to do any scanning from here, so we can directly do from our printer. So that is there. This way we can do the scan to computer from your Canon printer. Hopefully this will help you to save a lot of time. Thanks for watching.